Mighty White. Here we go now. The team are moving the Mighty White. Grizzly's got his Valentino Rossi.
So Andrew, what are we thinking?
Do you think that Skegness front on deck chairs look, eh? There he goes again, the elusive scooter rider. So here we are, powdered and puffed, waiting to go out. They won't let us watch the England match, although it's not my thing, but they won't let us watch it in here because the restaurant's opened, but you can't have the television on apparently. So I'm just asking for a Pernod. Bear in mind I'm in Belgium, it's close to France. Another what is Pernod, you know, Pernod.
Cumber's on the phone again, talking to Christine, saying he's coming home tomorrow.
He's been bitching to her.
I've seen him have that eyesight, a bad smash
He's
there.
been bitching to her about 4 reviews ago. We're going to get shafted, you know that.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, well let get on with football. Look at Mo. Mo's sat here, look, Major Mo.
Major Mo's looking very slim.
Control to Major Mo.
We'll see you in a bit then.
The circus dead, there's something wrong. Won't you call me a Major Mo?
2 minutes to go, the rings are up. Genius, mate.
1-1.
1-1. Saka,
How
are you looking at that or drinking it?
many minutes? You're drinking it.
You go to extra time a bit.
Are you filling it up?
I've not touched it, that's how it comes.
And we'll get it drunk then.
90 minutes, it's 1-1. Jesus.
Dracula, enough garlic earlier.
These are do-good as straws. I'll have to have another beer, I can't rush this. Just take
Well,
something to drink in
we
there.
missed the young lady come out with stockings on, didn't she, Andrew?
I never noticed, Mike. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm still talking about the one who looks like Rod Stewart's missus.
Oh God!
Penny
So
Young.
might be a pink uniform.
Who were that?
Like a Game Boy.
6 foot long legs.
I thought I got thinking about her on ferry. Looked like Big Jagger, that bloody that Dutch woman.
She was lovely.
She had half my ice cream. I said, "Do you want some ice cream?" And she ate half of it and gave it me back.
No, she's crazy.
That Dutch woman who looks like Mick Jagger. She says the ice cream's lovely. I said, well, have my ice cream. So she took it and she gave me half back.
Oh, they like to share Dutch.
So Andrew, what are we thinking?
Train's coming for night.
It's got to be a 1980s night tonight. There's got to be that young lady's dressed in high-vis, sparkly panties.
Yeah, past this is where you should be with your caravan, look. Camping Pinot. Look, you could catch Judah tea here, look. Beautiful, smell them flowers, Mo. Beautiful. Beautiful. Over the bridge. In the river. Look at these young ladies out, Mo.
Introduction filmé, hein?
I think the team is a little bit
Worse for wear.
windering now. Tosasaw thinks he thinks he's homeless. We're going to put him outside in a waste paper.
I seen a guzzy outside.
In a waste paper bin. Oh, you like
It was
guzzies?
all the rust.
Yes. He's talking about you, dung spreader. Major Mo's still. He's waiting. Good morning. It's Big D here, Flapjack and Beans. And today we're having a chill out day. We're just going to move the motorcycles. We've been finally allotted a car place. It's been very hectic here. We're all full of beer from last night, I think. The mighty orange here, look. The Ducati. And there's your key, Mick.
Smells of fish here.
There's always a church.
You get around that way.
Right, the team. We're just waiting for Major Mo. The Ducati's here now, look. Oh, and there's the little tram, look. That's what we're going on the tram shortly. To go. There it goes. There goes Tosasaw. And Grizzly now is looking close. Waiting for the Ducati to start up. There it goes, look, the Grizzly's off. Grizzly's off now, followed by Major Mo. Seen a few bikes come past. Oh, Belgium. And there we have the Flapjack of beans. Here comes the train. The tram's here. Pretty good, the KTM park there, don't you think? Looks very nice. Everybody around here's got a dog. That's our hotel at the back of there, look. And I think every other room had a dog. You're not nobody if you haven't got a dog here. Oh, he's connecting up here now, look. Goes on a man's bike now, bless him. Good old Mick. He's helping his mate out. Oh, they've got me rambling.
First ever KTMs.
Look, little children in window, but they're not real. It's a museum, look. There's an Austin cart there. Mick can remember Austin carts. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh well, look, we're going into this biker's bar that Grizzly's found. Hey? Good old Grizzly. Yeah. Well, of course. Fuck knows, Chris. Yes. Worst is you have to carry me.
That really will be the day.
I know. That will sort you out.
No, he's...
He was Marquez is on...
he was 6th, wasn't he? So I don't know what he'd be. Will he be 6th?
So here we are in Hans-sur Lesse, wherever we are. And Grizzly, I've got to commend, Grizzly's got to have a clap this morning because he's found a biker's bar.
Grizzly's had a clap.
Look.
Oh, sorry, I thought you said crap.
Look, we sat outside and the Moto GP comes on at 2 o'clock and he's got it on a big screen for us, unlike the unhelpful tart at the bloody Mercure.
Something to eat.
And there's lots to eat. We've got some beers, we've got some tit toppies, Lesses, we've got some lemon tea.
Today's happy.
And whatever. And Mo's okay there, look. We're all okay. Screaming Eagle. 110. Which is Moto GP Belgium style. Oh. Oh yeah?
It's a bit cloudy again.
Look at this car here.
Another Z4.
Hey. Z4 on you, Grizzly. Hey? So look at over here.
Là, on va vraiment...
Time for school, look, the blue team. That's our Willow at back, look.
That's Oakcroft at front.
Yeah. What's this here, look?
Well, it's Tom Selleck sash.
The Skull's Head's probably back the moment.
Yeah, you know, Skull's Head. Yeah. Small patch of the Royal. What are they? Look, catapults, look. How good are they? They're cool, aren't they? Oh, I'll get into trouble. Look at these waving dogs here, Grizz. Hey, up the lads are here, look, watch out. Lads are here, look. He's there again on Skyter. Who's he looking for? 46 on the back of his hat. Oh, it shows you on train, look, it goes all the way around on train.
Yeah.
Why don't we do that? There he goes again. The elusive scooter rider. They think they're at Skegness front on deck chairs, look, hey? Aye, me. Fetch you a donkey. It's all deserted, look. There's nobody here. They've all gone.